Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. I just got the HDMI video capture and now it's way better. But yeah, I just got it. It's great. Yeah, it's great. We're gonna be playing Splattoon, and the video is I got good with Splattoon miniguns, cause I did. I got pretty good with Splattoon miniguns, but I'm going to do a clip of the day every day, and I'll show you the first one ever today. And it's pretty funny. Alright, so let's go with this one. So I'm with Andy, and I was just gearing up. And then I just go across to this island. And then I throw this boom box. And then you see one of the guys got launched into the void with a boom box that's not even a knockback boom box. I thought that was crazy. Yeah, so Splattoon 2. Okay, what is this? Pearl. I don't like the news. The news is terrible. We get it. I don't even play ranked. I'm not good enough for ranked. So why would I want to know the ranked battles? I'm not even a B-, so I can't even play league battles. Is that a mask? Seriously, man? Finally, it's over. Alright. What? I lost my Switch and I couldn't play Splatoon for months. And now I suck at it. Help. No thanks. Well, anyways, let's go here. Connecting to the internet. It better not say that. Don't see me again. That I've disconnected my last battle. Okay, good. Didn't say that. Alright. Oh wait, no! I'm using the Splattoon 7 on accident. I don't mean to be using it. I mean to be using one of my favorite machine guns. Well, I guess we're gonna have to play one match. Alright. Might be a little bit laggy. But should be fine. Okay, throwing a bomb. Stamp on him. What? How did I? Okay. No. Oh, and sorry I haven't been posting Tony Hawk Pro Skater videos. I only post Tony Hawk Pro Skater videos when I complete the level. You know what I'm saying? I have, so the Eli Wildface count is my count. The Easy199 is my cousin's account, and I'm just using his to do the videos on. And holy moly, guacamole, I got splatted by an E-litter 4K. Who's our team? Nobody. Bruh. Okay, yes. There you go. Take that. Okay, we're winning a little bit. But anything could happen. And I learned that the hard way. We were up by so much ink, and then I don't know what happened. We lost. I can send somebody that's over here. Never mind. Get him. Yeah, Jermaine, yeah. Where is he? Alright, let's get him. Okay, I think we won this round. Yeah, totally won this. Woo! Okay, we won this one. Well, that's... Instead of 5 battles with the minigun, I guess we're just gonna do 4. Because we did wasted 1. But yeah. Holy moly. Holy moly, guacamole. Okay. Holy moly, guacamole. Here it is. I tried this one, and I will never go back to it. It's terrible. Or to me it is. No offense if you like it. And can please someone tell me in the comment section what dry means, 0.0? Alright, just charge this thing up and let it rip. Ah! You got me with the burst bomb. What's respawn Punisher? Whoa. Whoa! He got me from far away. Great. Go here. No. No. J-Mania. He's so good, but at the same time so annoying. Get him. Never mind. I'm just kidding. Burst bomb. Wait, no, I'm terrible with burst bombs. Oh, holy moly. Holy moly, guacamole. Ooh. Wait, what did I just do? How am I... What? He's right there. Oh yeah, got him. Why is there so many Agent 8s? I always see like so many Agent 8s once in a while. Bruh, we got denominated, destroyed. We got 15%? I've got beaten worse. Hey, I was a star player. Somehow. Okay, that didn't go well. Is there any other machine guns? Alright, guys. I'm good with this gear, guys, and we better win at least one match with the machine gun. Alright. This is the map that we won on, so hopefully we can probably win again, maybe? Hopefully, possibly. Oh, now we have Agent 8 on our team. I've never had an Agent 8 on our team. Never. Whoa, he is hidden from pretty far. Oh no. He got owned by Agent 8. The quadrilateral. Nope, no, oh, wait, no. How? Die. I almost had you, MCD Dubai. The point is, why? How is the arrow spray so good? Just why? Psych? No! Wait, no, I'd probably die anyways, what am I even talking about? What? How's that guy not dead? Okay, I got J-Mania for like the second time. Yes! Agent 8 saved my life. Oh yes, we're taking over. We're coming back. Right now, if the time ended, we'd probably be dead. No. What? How? No thank you, no thank you, no thank you, no please. Why is he squid flopping? I almost had him. Are they squid partying? Bruh. I was gonna squid party, man. We got owned. Well, at least I got second on the team. Reduces respawn time after getting splatted repeatedly without splatting any. That would be great for me, because I can't splat nobody. But I can reach. You understand. I'm the 4th highest level in that group. Please be with John Cena. Oh, with that poopy dude that keeps killing me all the time. Why is your name even Poopy? Splash. Wait, no! I had my special. How do you even get the auto shot replica? Or is it like a limited time item? No. Okay, we can talk about this. I lack that. Where are you, man? Huh? No! Nothing happened. Totally nothing. Don't know. I don't even know what you're talking about. Yeah, I have no idea. I don't even know what happened. I was like totally lagging. See, I was like lagging again. See, lagging. Totally lagging. Wait, I'm lagging even harder. Oh wait, no, I'm lagging. He's so low, I can tell. No, you got him. Why do I have all octo brushes on my team? Or brushes. Pink brushes. No. You Agent 8? Swimming towards that dude. I just want to kill Agent 8 one time. For being so annoying. Wait, I'm gonna sneak up behind them. So close. Almost got him. Wait, were those guys teaming? We got owned. We won? What? We won that match. Those guys killed me like 1,000 times. How? Wait, how many matches did we do? Oh, wait. We did, okay, this is our final match, I'm pretty sure. How does he, J Mania's level 59? How is that even possible? I'm gonna get all the outer stuff inked so that, cause last time we won by the outer stuff. Nope, I'm dead. Yes! Yes! Take that. I'm ready for you. Who's gonna come down here? What? No. I got him! How did I get him? Ow. Ow. That kind of hurt, J Mania. But I don't think that you care. What? No. He killed us both in one hit. How sad. Hey, stop. Stop this move. What is he doing on the side? Oh, he has the same thing as me. On our last match, we got owned. Totally owned. We're gonna win it. Watch. Psych! Oh. But I bet none of you guys believe that, so, yeah. Well, you stink. I stink. I totally stink. But, anyways, this has been it for Splattoon 2. I got good with miniguns. On second thoughts, I probably didn't. But anyways, I'll see you on the next one.